Long, long ago, long, long ago, sing me the songs I delighted to hear. Long, long ago, long ago.